video eyabangani baDominic. Number 1, indaba umngane nimpretenda kangaka. Indaba umngane wenu ningamtshela ukuthi uyazihlaza. Because le story sakhe asitshela sona, sihlaza yena kunokuthi sizonde lo mfana omenze zonke lezi zinto. UDominic ubena 34 years old. Udlala umfana ona 20 years old. Ayikho ilevel ye-desperation edlula lokho. Angeke wena usitshele ukuthi i-frontal cortex yakho fully developed, i-frontal lobe yakho, you are a full-blown adult, you have priorities. Wena wasitshela ukuthi wakhumuzi lapha ngakini. Wena wasitshela ukuthi you're this person who's confident in themselves. Wena muhle uyazithemba, you have options. Kodwa uzositshela ukuthi ubodlala umfana na 20 years. Uyazihlaza Dominic. No, uyazihlaza. And abangani bakho laba baba-influence ehlezi be-around wena angazi batholeleni bengakutsheli. Wes iy'tori zakho uyasho ukuthi waya ku-Durban July wangasaya kwimagigi ngoba udlala lo mfana na-20. Lo mfana na-20 akucela ukuthi umbhukhele ama-Airbnb namahhotela, umbhukhele ahambe olala ney'ntombi zakhe. Lo mfana na-20 bedrive imoto yakho. Lo mfana na-20 angazi kukhona esinye isitori esishilo ukuthi ekuthuka ngenhlamba ekushaya waqala egeyithini ekuphusha phambi kwabantu ama-security waze wayongena embhedeni. Siyahlaza sonke leso story. Wona una-34. How desperate are you to take i-treatment enjalo from umfana ona-20? Ihlaza wena le story. Sihlaza wena le story. Wes akuphike futhi. Uyakuphika nje uposta ama-video okuprove ukuthi you guys were around each other. Uyambona nje ukuthi lo muntu uyakuzonda u-around wena because ushuga mama wakhe, uspenda imali kuyena, uyakudla-ke befuna ukudla agcine as a secret. Now uyasho ukuthi wakuvimba ukuthi uhambe uyokwenza igig yakho ku-Durban July, wakukhiyela endlini ngo-2, wahamba wayogrova. Ugrova ngemali yakho, uxhaphaza wena na-34, ingane na-20 le. Wena ngathi u-desperate Dominic, le story sihlaza wena. Mina ngiyena umngani wakho kodwa ngizokutshela yeka le story sidlulise. The best thing to do as a public figure ukuthi udle shut up, move on. Uyazihlaza le story sihlaza wena. Hawe ma, wena wawungathi uthi wena ulala namadoda richi, amadoda richi ayakufuna. Angisazi yiphi podcast awusho kuyona nje ukuthi wena nama-option ama-celebrity amadoda nje kuhlukile. Namhlanje ushela ukuthi bodlala umfana na-20. Hayi bo. Hayi sana sami ihlaza phela bolibona. Ihlaza phela bolibona. Thina sibona abangani bakho kodwa sesikutshela ukuthi le story sihlaza wena sisandwa sami.
I-translation ilahleka uma sesikhuluma ngezinto eziningi on different times and then sizimixa lezi zinto senza ngathi into eyodwa. I remember ngitrenda like TikTok about 2.5 years ago. And I was receiving a lot of hate, especially from big creators. Dominic was one of those creators that was pushing hate about me. Everyone that was pushing hate about me felt my wrath in return. Ungambuza nopapalo, ungababuza nabanye. Dominic was one of them. Dominic was one of the people that was pushing hate about me, and I pushed hate back sharp. I felt bad about it because Namgo Mundu and I have no ill intent. I felt bad about it. What did I do? I pick up a phone, I kulumana straight to Dominic. I said, listen, I don't like the words that we exchanged. This is me extending an olive branch. I'm not saying that we should be friends. Nini, when am I sending this message? 2 years ago. 30 October 2023. 2 years ago. Sharp. Time passes, and what words am I especially when you go back to a podcast, that was just personal catfighting. I'm really not about that. I try for everything that comes out of my mouth to be objective, to be factual, to just be straightforward. I like to speak on facts. I still maintain what I said yesterday. This whole story makes Dominic look like a bad person. The whole story makes Dominic look like Dominic groomed ingane, especially when you look at the age difference. Dominic ulago 34, lengane beyila 20, 19, 19, 18 class. America akwazi ukuphuza utshwala before the age of 21. So you can't tell me that you are over a decade older than a 19-year-old or 20-year-old and it doesn't look like you groomed them. Wes, you are older, you have the more followers, which means you are more well known, you have more social power, and you have more money, you are funding trips and whatever. It makes you look like you groomed the child. And then when you share videos, the child looks like it hates you. Guys, in those videos, Anati looked like he hated Dominic. He couldn't even fake it. And that's what makes Dominic look desperate more. And that's when I said, Mina, if I was your friend, I was going to say, Chomi, don't even talk about the story. Move on. So, ukuthi ingena apha indaba yokuthi ushare message engakuthumela yona 2 years ago versus iqiniso ade ngilikhuluma 2 days ago, angazi kuhlanganaphi. Angazi kuhlanganaphi. Izinto eziwu-2 nje ezihlukile. Did I feel bad about the personal exchanges that you and me had? Yeah, because that was fucking childish. But do I feel bad about the iqiniso engilikhulumile izolo? No, Sandra Sam, I don't. Pack it up. You made yourself look bad professionally, talking about taking money from brands and skipping gigs. I'm sorry, that just made you look bad. Over in umfana 20, oh ngena ndaba nawe still. Come on. That's why I said bapha bangani bakho. Ain't no fucking way, bro. So ungavezi message engayithumela 2 years ago and make it look like I feel bad about iqiniso engilikhulume izolo. 2 different things. 2 different things.
I'm just sitting here thinking about the whole Dominic situation with his lover or apparent lover. He claims that he was dating this guy who was abusive and did all these things to him. And I'm just like, what the fuck is wrong with people? There are so many people coming out to rally around him, stand by him, like, oh yeah, poor Dominic, poor Dominic. I still stand by the fact that I think that he's an evil man, right? All those people that are actually standing by him and saying, oh, he doesn't deserve this, wada, calling him this woman and what, and I'm just like, what the fuck is actually happening in this world? I hate people. That is the truth. I really hate people because they're so sick, right? Dominic always comes out here to complain. Most of the time when I see these dramas about him, he always comes out to complain about these men that are doing him wrong. Why is it that Dominic is always intertwined with men that are doing something to him? Everybody's trying to get his money. Now there's this guy that was beating him and doing all these things. Now, don't get me wrong, nobody should be beaten by anyone, whether you're male or female. But it was a man beating a man, a very big man, who could have probably defended himself. But that's not to say that it's right? But here's the question, or here's the thing that nobody's actually fucking talking about. Dominic is 30-something years old, and apparently that guy is 21. Do the math. And then there was another incident where Dominic was hooking up with another young man. Not to say that that's predatorial, but I mean, what would you call it? It's always poor Dominic. Why? Because he hooked up with a man? I don't even really understand that story. Is it about the betarization that everybody's saying poor Dominic? He hooked up with a younger man. I don't see anyone talking about that. All I'm really seeing is people saying poor her, where? There was no third party in there, like a female third party. So I don't fucking get it. And this is the reason why I actually really do hate people. Because they're weird. Do we call it GBV? I don't know what you want to call it. I think it's sad that people get beaten up. It's really wrong. But what is he doing with nobody's asking that. What is he doing with a 21-year-old when he's 30-something? Do the math. How old was that guy when how old was Dominic when that guy was born? And everybody wants Dominic. And everybody's like, this is so sad that this is happening to her. And she's so strong, But she's not strong when she's being done wrong by her young lovers. She wasn't strong enough to say, no, you cannot take my money. Leave my money. Why are you trying to get my money? She, according to you weird people, was not strong enough. So now we all have to believe that Dominic is so strong. Clearly not. I believe that he is, in my opinion, very manipulative, because he comes out to the internet to boohoo cry about what everybody's doing to him. Oh, Dominic just retaliates and he does these things because people start with him first. Dominic is not the fucking nicest person. And I think we all know that. I think he's got a little bit or a lot of evil in him. And he feels like everybody should feel sorry for him because he's a transgender. So everybody must feel sorry for him. The world is doing him wrong because he's transgender. It's like you're trying to force it down our throats. We don't care. Nobody cares anymore about that nonsense. But you're not going to catch me saying that a man is a woman because I don't have a mental illness. My brain functions. Oh, you're misgendering him. Purposefully. No, I'm gendering him correctly. You're making the mistake. You're ill. But that's okay. You can work on that. As much as Dominic needs to work on himself. Because something is wrong with that man. In my opinion, like mentally, something is not right. I understand that he has all these traumas and all these things that happened in his life. We all do. Life's tough. Wear a fucking helmet. We all have to. Siyagoa. But really, I don't understand the other people that are saying, poor him, poor him, poor him. That's the part that I really don't get. He's not a nice person, in my opinion, from what I have observed online. Maybe you haven't seen the other clips or videos or lives that he's done. He actually puts himself in a position to be misgendered or for people to come for him when it comes to his little gender thingy. He puts himself in those situations, but you're too idiotic, some of you, to see that. Because you like a sad, sappy story and you're so afraid of Dominic. You're fucking scared of him for some reason. He's not God. No, you're so mean, whatever. I don't give a damn. I'm in my villain era. And that only means I'm going to tell nothing but the truth. Not that I'm just going to go out there and be evil. If you see it as evil, I don't give a damn. Click off the video. Because that's all I can do at this point, tell the truth. Because there are so many of you out there that refuse. You still refuse in 2026 to tell the truth about everything. And those are the people that I actually really hate. I do. You're weird. It's weird. It's also weird to be finessed by someone that is so younger than you. And people then still come out and say, he's so smart and powerful. Do you see how that sounds? And you're only doing this because you're still afraid of that guy. You're afraid of that dude. And Dominic is only mean when people come for him. No, he's not. That's his nature. But nobody's going to admit that. It's sad that he got beaten up by that guy, if it is true. But also, respectfully, fuck Dominic. Now, I'm not saying that because I don't like the guy. I don't know him not to like him. I just see the way he moves online. It's weird. But the rest of the world is so afraid to tell the truth. What was he doing with that young boy?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Coach Noni send a message to Dominic, uthi Dominic le nto la ikhulumako thinking ukuthi expose uAnathi kahle kahle uthi expose yena uyatihlaza. Inkinga nje ukuthi nebangani bakhe abamtshela iqiniso yini le nto la ikhulumako ukuthi yena bekashaywa umfana lona 21. So uyasho nje ukuthi coach no story sa Dominic as make nje sense. Bantu abaningi seems like bayamdrega ku Dominic lapha enkundleni tokuqhumana ukuthi uyababhedzela nje ngale story. Lokwento Dominic wazewekela ukukhuluma ngale story. Ku post yakhe yokugcina la efake ku TikTok khuluma indaba yokuthi angeke asashare anything with social media. Abantu bak social media bahlezi obafuna kumbuka njengemuntu lomubi, bahlezi bafuna kumdreka
So ngikasashara anything yena with people uthi nje futhi bana bamzondako abamblocke ngani abamblocke ngani. But people are saying ukuthi girl, isitori sakho make sense. Please do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.